Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be doing a review on the Olens Secret Tint. This consists of two colors, grey and brown. So without further ado, let's get started. I felt like this particular collection hasn't been like reviewed as much, if I'm not wrong, but I decided to give this one a review because I can definitely tell you I'm loving it. This is leaning much more towards the enlargement side, so this has the graphic diameter of 13.5mm. I tend to stick to somewhere between 13.2 and 13.3. 13.5 is a little bit of a stretch, but in terms of the design, the inside definitely gives me the double tint look in terms of like the color and pattern, the glowy inside it, the double crescent moon that goes inside it. The stripiness of the Nella design is what you get on the inside, on top of like the crescent moon. So you can see a lot of things going on to give you like this like mystical finish look, which I am loving. What I really love about this design overall is that if you like the double tint collection but you felt like you want a bit of like enlargement or like oomph, this will be it, because it has this dark brown border on the outside, which is like perfect to give you like a really nice finish of the overall look, but also enlarge it at the same time. And I feel like because it gives like that limbo ring on the outside, it makes the inside way more obvious, way more opaque, way more like brighter looking, especially the crescent moon. Like somehow it just looks much more obvious on the eyes, whereas like the double tint is like leaning much more towards like a natural niceness to it, I guess, like a nice finish to it. So I still love my double tint, but also at the same time it's like I can see why this is also really pretty. The color, let's talk about the brown one first. When I put the brown one on, straight away the brown really reminds me of the Nella brown shade, where you get that really bright yellow golden shade to it, which is beautiful, but also at the same time you do see like the dark brown of like the double tint as well, depending on the lighting. And so when I saw that one, I was like, it's actually really pretty. I love the look of it. It gives me like a nice finish. But when I put on the grey, I changed my mind because I'm obsessed with this particular grey shade. Something about this grey is just so gorgeous. Not only is it like a cool tone grey, but also I feel like it has that darkness to it as well. But also at the same time, it has like a hint of blue, which is gorgeous. Something about this just looks so gorgeous and it makes me want to use it a little bit more as well. However, I feel like because of the enlargement, it's not something I would tend to go and use it that often as well, you know what I mean? Because I feel like at the same time is that at the moment they only have this in monthly prescription, they don't have it in daily, and I do love my daily lenses. If you have to try between the grey on the brown, I would definitely recommend the grey one more, just because I feel like it's way more unique and it's something much more mesmerizing on the eyes compared to the brown. The brown is definitely something that you can try if you want to try both, but if you want something to attract you to this collection, definitely try the grey one first before the brown. But I hope you guys enjoyed this quick review. Let me know what you guys think, let me know your thoughts, and let me know what other collection I haven't tried from Olens yet, but I will review them, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.